But the things is, I'm not done to make a bench, a bamboo bench for them. I have already a small house, but there's no chair or to sitting area to sitting down. So I'm going to make this. But I have one member of the church to help me to do that. We are both carpenters. I am a carpenter, and this lady, also a carpenter. Look, guys, she is 70 years old. She is 70 years old. And thank God for the strength that God gave to her. She make her own bench for the kids also, because she is starting to do the kids ministry also, like what I have. So I think I praise God for that, because what I am doing, that makes them wisdom to do to themselves also, right? And because of God, God lead me of what I'm doing. God lead them also to do the same thing of what I'm doing.